Good morning. Don't mind the hair, don't mind the Christmas jams. We are starting this Monday off working. So I have samples I want to make. I have ideas for something else I want to do, and I have orders. So I think I will start with one sample, and then from there start on my orders, and then this evening I'll finish up with the other thing I want to do. So that's what we're doing right now, and I'm not going to worry about a shower because I want to go to Zumba later, and so I'll probably, like, I don't know yet. Let's walk to the red box, shall we? My battery's gonna die. It totally died earlier. Forgot. Anyway, we just left Blue Lion. Got stuff for dinner. Welcome to the vlog.
Peanut donut.
Hey, I'd like to get a medium iced caramel latte.
This was the peanut donut for me.
Whoa, holy brightness. Why is it so bright? I don't know. It's on the right setting. Welcome to the vlog. So I started it already. We had to take my husband's car. Hold on. Oh, by the way, you don't like my shirt? When we tie-dyed, this is how mine turned out. So I never did show mine, but it's because I wanted mine brighter, so I left mine out. I put mine out to, you know, the toilet is not going to start running. Stop running. Hold on. Okay. Had Journey run upstairs, got her set up with ABC mouse. So if you hear that, that's her. Anyway, so we're finally getting the sunroof fixed on the van. So if you didn't watch that vlog or you missed when Danny, let me close this a little bit more. So when Danny was here, we went to see Flock of Seagulls and a Depeche Mode tribute band. And while we went to the concert, something fell and broke the sunroof on our van, so we weren't able to drive it like the whole time Danny was here. So if you wondered why, you know, Danny was always driving or we were going places with Danny's, because we didn't have a vehicle. We have my husband's work vehicle, which is not like, he's had it for 15 years, 16 years. I think he got it in 2008. So that would make it what? He's had it for 15 years? Something like that. I don't know. Somewhere around there. Anyway, so it's just, you know, it's old. But we had to use it today to go drop the van off. So we went and dropped the van off, went to Journey's therapy. I cannot wait until we get it back, which it is ready. And so Uncle Brian is going to take my husband to go get it after work. And so, but I have been doing this for the past 2 days, and I love how it's working out for me. So it is 1:51 right now. I would have already started working, but we had to go to therapy and then ate lunch and, you know, that kind of thing. But I didn't vlog at all yesterday, and I vlogged very little on Monday. But what I did is got up, because both days we didn't have any appointments or anything to do. So I got up and then I came straight to work. I didn't even shower. I was in my pajamas. I came to work. And I worked all day until 6 o'clock, and I stopped. So I worked in my pajamas, like, and you know, we had lunch and that kind of thing. But then at 6 o'clock I was done working. Yes?
After when I'm done with that, can we read this funny book? I'll show you what is.
In a minute. Hold on, I'm vlogging.
Here, like that.
Oh yeah.
See it? Funny.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
So then I'm done at 6 o'clock. And I cooked dinner.
Read that after when I'm done.
Okay. But see, my husband has been working, finishing up the floors where he works. So he's been coming home like closer to 7. So me starting dinner at 6 o'clock, you know, worked out great. So I worked right up until 6, and then what we did Monday is I worked until 6, but then I didn't have anything for dinner. I'm just petting the bunnies over here. And we ran to Food Lion and got stuff for burgers for Monday night, and then I got stuff for spaghetti and meatballs for Tuesday. So that's what we ate for dinner. But yeah, the whole working up until 6, and then at 6 I'm done. One of the reasons I can do that is because right now all my orders that I have were going out before their ship dates, if that makes sense. Like, I think the orders I worked on yesterday had the ship date of the 10th, and a couple were on the 11th, which is Friday. So today is the 8th. No, today's the 9th. So I'm going to again work on whatever orders I have that are due out Friday and Monday, because there's not that many on Friday, I don't think. I'll have to look. And then get those done and get Monday done. And then tomorrow I'll continue, like tomorrow's Thursday, you know, and I'm already working on Monday orders. So again, you know, get some more. And then on Friday, do the same thing. That way, oh, and I also made a couple samples. I made 2 samples on Monday and 1 sample yesterday. So that's, you know, I'm like, I'm feeling it again. I'm getting enthusiastic about, you know, doing this. And I feel like the system of doing it this way, because normally on normal days, you know, we get up and we,
What letter is?
that's 8. That's an E. You can paint it whatever color you think an E should be. It doesn't have a color. It's whatever you want it to be. You can pick any color in the world. What color?
I just want to be a rainbow break and use it.
I don't think they have rainbow, but you can make it any color.
Yeah, they do. They do.
Oh.
Right there.
I think if you click that, they let you pick different colors if you don't see them.
See?
So you can pick pink or any other color. See how they have different colors? Sorry. Anyway, so how I would normally do things is we usually get up in the morning, you know, might go get a coffee, run any errands we have to run, and then when I come home, like in the summer, I would like edit a vlog or whatever, and then make some lunch, and then kind of mosey down here, you know, 3, 4 o'clock and work, and then take a break and go make dinner, and then after dinner eat, hang out for a little bit, and then come back down here and work from like 8 o'clock until like 10, 11. So that's how I was doing things. Now, past 2 days, now, you know, nowadays, I got right down here and got to work. I think on Monday I was down here at like 10 something, and then yesterday I was down here at like 11:30, and worked until like 6 o'clock. I think yesterday I put out 6 orders and made 1 sample, and then it might be the same for Monday because I had 2 samples and maybe 5 shirts. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna try this out. Maybe I can stick to it, because I told my husband, I was like, I really like, you know, having the evening and having that feeling like I am done for today. I am done. I don't have to worry about putting out no more orders. I am done. So I'm going to try to get at least So we got 4 hours. I'm gonna try to get out at least, I'm gonna shoot for 6 and a sample. Depending on how long these designs take to stitch up. 6 and a sample, we'll try.
Y'all ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
This for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.